For some people living in LaPlace after last night's flooding, WDSU reporter Ariel Brumfield caught up with one woman who says she feels like she's drowning with the flooding threat she says she faces time and time again. Ariel?
Travers, that is exactly right. The woman I talked to says she is frustrated because she says flooding has become a recurring issue every time they get heavy rain. Another rain event, another backed up drain.
We need better drainage system. We do, because every time it rains, the water just sits there, and then once it fills up to a certain extent, it backs up, and then it backs up into my drains in my backyard, and then it just comes into my house.
Elizabeth Weber, who lives on Maidwood Road in LaPlace, says it's a never-ending story trying to keep water out of her home.
It just came up so fast. We were just trying to get it soaked up.
Some parts of St. John the Baptist Parish got up to 4 inches of rain on Monday night's storm. The water got into every room in Weber's house. Now she's tossing furniture like TVs, beanbags, clothes, and other items now waterlogged. Unfortunately, the next steps for her aren't looking too optimistic.
Dehumidify the house, hoping and praying that we can save our furniture at least. That way we don't have to make any more loans to buy furniture.
Her home is insured, but she says it's too expensive to file another claim or loan, as she's just getting back on her feet from damage from Hurricane Ida.
We just got back on our feet. Then, of course, the insurance went up. We went from $3,000, then got a quote for $6,000. Then now we're paying $5,000 a year.
She says she hopes the parish better maintains its drains to prevent flooding from impacting residents so often.
They came today and cleaned the catch basin out, but they leave that. How is that going to solve anything with the drainage system if you're leaving debris right behind if you're cleaning that out?
And we reached out to the parish for a statement regarding the flooding and the drainage system. We haven't heard back just yet. Reporting live in LaPlace, I'm Ariel Brumfield, WDSU News.
All right, we have some new